Hi lifestyle lovers, welcome back to Xsmall Lifestyle. If you are new here, welcome honey. My name is Erica. My channel is called Xsmall Lifestyle and it's all about creating a good lifestyle. So today's video is going to be a day off in the life. Today is Monday. It is MLK Day. So happy birthday, Martin Luther King. I think it's his birthday. It is also an off day for me. And right now I have several jobs currently. So I need to get a head start on the week. I need to go get some rug samples for my client. I am currently working on an entire home where I am designing an entire home. Tomorrow starts my actual full-time work schedule, as well as I'm vlogging for you guys. So I'm getting ready to head out the door. I need to take some stuff back. Let's see. Okay, lifestyle lovers, so I need to return some things. I have to return an outfit to Target that I purchased a few days ago. And also, Babe brought me some sunglasses and I want to exchange them for the black pair. So I do have a pair of Versace sunglasses. Just let me show them to you guys. So here is the pair of Versace sunglasses that Babe bought me. It is like a burgundy color. And I mean, I really like them, but all of my Versace pieces, you know, my purse, and I have some shoes, it's black and gold. So these also come in black and gold. So I would actually prefer the black and gold. And I went into the store that he purchased them from, and they told me that I have until January 31st to exchange them for a different color. So that is what I'm going to do. Just let me try them on for you guys. You know, so it's the same exact pair. It's just black and gold. And I just feel like I would get more wear out of the black and gold. But this is how the side looks, which I really, really love. I'm a sunglass girl, so I have quite a bit of pair of designer sunglasses. So if you guys would be interested in seeing a sunglass haul, then comment below and let me know and I'll show you guys what's in my collection. But right now we need to get out the door and get our day started. Okay, lifestyle lovers, just to give you guys of what I'm wearing today. I'm doing the denim on denim. So I have a denim shirt. It is really old. I think it's probably from JCPenney's. I have an Express bodysuit, and then I have just my ripped jeans, which are also old. I believe these jeans are from Toya Wright's boutique. Lil Wayne's ex-wife, she used to have a boutique and she doesn't have it anymore. So you know these are really, really old. And then I just have on my all gold Vans, and I am rocking my Fendi crossbody. I just pulled this out a couple of days ago and I haven't worn it in a while, but I really I just forgot how much I love this bag. So I'm just going to make sure I keep this one in rotation. And yeah, that's about it. So let go. Okay, lifestyle lovers, so I was able to exchange my shades for the black pair. I'm just going to show you guys the black pair. This particular pair that I'm rocking today is my Fendi sunglasses. They are a men sunglasses, and I purchased these from Neiman's. I believe they are still available, so I will provide the link if they are available. They may even be on sale because I've had these almost a year now. I bought these in the spring of last year. Ooh, my eyebrows look like that. They look a little... Okay, so this is how the black pair looks. It's the exact same pair, just in black. And so This is how they look, honey. I love them. So I would definitely get more wear out of these because just about all of my Versace pieces are black and gold, and I just prefer a black shade opposed to a, it wasn't even red, it was like burgundy. Maybe if it was like a true red, but yeah. So okay, so next I need to see if I can get my Pandora bracelet fixed. It is broken. Let me show you guys. I had taken the ball off of my Pandora bracelet to add some charms to it. There's actually a charm that is missing. Where the hell is it? And I broke the ball. So I'm gonna take it to Fast Fix and see if they can I don't know, do whatever. But yeah, the bracelet is pretty much completed. I won't be adding any more charms to it, but there is a charm that's missing. I think it's at the bottom of my purse, but I'm gonna see if I can get this fixed and then go to Target, and then I don't know. Okay, so this is the charm that fell off. I don't know if you guys can see it. This is the charm that fell off, but it was in the bottom of my purse. So I'm gonna see if they can put it back on. It's no longer under warranty, so that's why Pandora can't fix it. I've had the bracelet for probably, I got it in 2018, so the warranty is expired on it, but the bracelet is pretty much, it's done, it's completed. But I really hope they can fix it. I love this bracelet. Okay, lifestyle lovers, so I have made it back home. The temperature has completely dropped outside. So what I did was I went to a few stores. I did end up going to the rug store for my client, but when the guy told me that the rugs started out at $8,000, I knew immediately that I was in the wrong place. And my client by no means is scared to spend that money. She will most definitely spend that money, but we ain't spending $8,000 on a rug. So I knew it would be in the $1,000 range, but I didn't think $8,000. But he was telling me that they're hand woven and all that stuff, but whatever, wrong place. So I did go to Walmart, picked up a few things from Walmart, so I'll show you guys what I got from Walmart. It's probably about 7:30, 8 o'clock. My son spent the weekend with his dad, and he has not gotten home yet, so he should be arriving soon. I'm gonna go ahead and cook me some dinner. I think I'm going to grill some salmon in the air fryer and some rice and veggies. I have not eaten a whole meal the entire weekend. I just been eating seafood, so I really need to get some veggies in my system. I mean, I've been drinking my water and all that stuff, but I need to eat a meal and not just seafood. And I took an outfit back to Target that was too big, so I'll try that on for you guys and let you know how that fit. But let me go ahead and get settled, and then I'll show you guys what I got. So I'm just going to show you what I picked up from the store. I got some Dial Marula Oil body wash. This is my very, very favorite body wash, so I just got the big size. I got some more Tide Pods, some Visine for my son. He's been rubbing his eye while he's been with his dad, so I don't even know if they're gonna let him stay in school tomorrow like that, but hopefully I can treat it when he comes home. I got some Yoplait strawberry banana yogurt. I think I'm going to make me a smoothie in the morning, and my Vitamix blender, purified drinking water, salmon for tonight's dinner, Hershey's with almonds, broccoli, strawberry smoothie mix for my smoothie, cilantro lime rice for tonight's dinner. I have the Jimmy Dean breakfast bowl, turkey sausage, scrambled egg whites, diced potatoes, and cheddar cheese. Very healthy. I love these for breakfast. And then I have some Ruffles, lime, and jalapeno chips. And that's pretty much it for the grocery store haul. Oh, so I did go into Home Goods. I caught a little bit of footage while I was in Home Goods. Most of the items that I purchased was for my daughter. I just redid her bedding, so if you guys are interested in how it looks, make sure you check out my weekly vlog, because I did include a picture of how it looks. But I purchased this tray from Home Goods. It has like a few scratches on it, which doesn't matter because stuff is going to be sitting on it. But I think I'm going to use this to sit my Vitruvi oil diffuser. That's right now it's sitting on my nightstand, so I bought the tray so I can pretty much sit the diffuser as well as all of the essential oils on this tray. And it is trimmed in gold. Looks like it has the little felts on each end of it. But I'll show you guys that, and then I'll try on the outfit that I took back to Target. Let me go ahead and get dinner started because I'm hungry. Okay, lifestyle lovers, so this is how the tray looks. Which this thing is so hard to, I think I just dropped my diffuser. But this is how the tray looks. That way I'll keep it on this little tray, and I can keep all of my essential oils right here with it. Let me see, let me take them out. So I have lavender. I have, the only one I've used is the eucalyptus, but I have spruce, grapefruit, and eucalyptus. That way I'll have everything So this is pretty much how it looks. Maybe I'll do it like that. So yeah, there we go. Okay, lifestyle lovers, so this is the outfit that I got from Target. I end up taking the medium back for extra small, so I'll insert how the medium looked, which it was really, and now the extra small looks like it's too tight. But this is how it looks. I guess maybe this is how it's supposed to fit. It has the pockets. Now it looks cute, but it's kind of tight, honey. So I might take it back again, y'all. What y'all think? Should I take it back and get the small, or should I keep the extra small? Because now it kind of looks too tight to me. So this is how it looks from the front. It fits around the thighs. And this is how it looks in the back. But it's, I mean, it's a cute little outfit. I don't know. I might just take it back and get my money back. But, I mean, I like it. It's a neon. I don't know. But I'm about to get ready to take my shower. I'm tired, lifestyle lovers. I'm ready to wind down. Tomorrow starts a new week for me. So, I'm kind of ready to eat and go to bed. God, we may not have a hotline, but we do have his book. God speaks to us through his word. So if you are waiting for confirmation, direction, validation, or conviction, pick it up, read, and listen. How often do you feel God speaking to you through his word? Were your conversations today as frequent and meaningful as you'd like? Share your heart with him right now and listen for his reply. Lord, tonight I make the space to hear from you. I know that your voice is kind and loving and that you know what is best for me. I choose to listen to you now.